You know the vibes. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you read in the title, today's video is going to be a renter-friendly bathroom makeover for my mom. We also kept it under $300, which is a challenge, but I still think it turned out super cute. I'm also going to show you how I accomplished this peel and stick countertop. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope you guys love the video. Here we go. Sorry that she has one of those bathrooms where the light and the vent are in one. Super annoying. So sorry you hear that. But yeah, we got a lot to do. Hopefully it goes well. This is what I'm going to be using for the countertops. Easy Liner Removable Adhesive Surfaces in this white marble.
It looks something like this.
Alright, got the countertop. I mean, it's okay. There are some patchy moments, but for the most part, like in the corners, but for the most part, they'll be covered. I think it looks okay. This is the worst corner, so you can see, but not bad. Not bad. these command strips to give her a place to hang towels. I thought that these were really cute, and I won't have to put more holes in the wall to get the same look. So I thought, you know, this is great because my mom is renting. So yeah. Waffle towels. It's beautiful. Oh, wow. 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 Oh, look at, oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. It is, I love it. Yeah, it's beautiful. Once again, this is different. Wait a minute. This is brown. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Are you? Wait a minute. This was not like this, right? Wait a minute.
And taking the perfume out was worth it. That's cute.
Oh. I'm still tripping off of this.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I mean, it's not the best, but it just will peel off. The brown it was like scraped off in a lot of places. So.
Wow. This is unbelievable. I mean, this is so nice. Like, I don't even know what to say. I was like this. It scared me.
What do you think I did? Come and bring some marble in here? It's just a sticker, so. And it wipes off, it gets sprayed.
Oh, shit.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Thank you so much. It is so nice to come in here and it looked brand new.
Obviously, this is where you name your child.
I'm like trying to figure it out, you know? It's not easy.
This is what took me the longest.
Oh my God. It is gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Thank you so much. Once again, definitely exceed my expectations. But I will be taking some of that stuff back into my bedroom to protect it.
Who's gonna use it?
Danielle.
She's not gonna use it. Buy her some cheap stuff. She would use that.
It's gorgeous.
It's very pretty.
That worked out perfectly. And it's a little bit thicker, the glass.
So, I like that one.
So much, daughter. You're welcome. This is beautiful. I love it. Thank you so much. Oh my God, it's a pleasure to come in here. And this, oh wow. Once again, it's beautiful. Thanks for watching. Stand here. I hope she don't come in here.
She's gonna come in here. She's gonna be like, well, I guess I'm using this couch now.
I'm done with the other one.
Wow, it's so cute.
Look it.
How'd you do this?
I mean,
Mom didn't even notice.
I was like,
You're like,
it scared me.
thought that it came like this.
How did you do it? Isn't it beautiful? Look behind the door.
It's nice. You like it?
It is gorgeous.
Your favorite thing? What's your favorite thing? Mom.
The whole thing. I like this whole thing here. Everything. I just love it. But my favorite would be this here. For sure. The eucalyptus in this base is so, it's just stunning and beautiful.
If I could have painted this, put some candles on there.
Oh, she took off. Thank you.
Welcome.